Thought I'd give you a quick shop tour, starting with our system for our airlines. Put this in earlier this year or this fall, and yeah, I know it's just a single cylinder air compressor. I keep waiting for it to die so I can buy something new. We got one air hose reel there. We got it go on over here, and we got another one over there. That one has the oiler on it. That's been really nice. Now I've spent about 2 months organizing and cleaning up. See if I can do this so it's not, so I don't get so much sun in it. Anyway, hung a lot of pegboard and got most of our tools hung up on pegboard. I'll show you some more. Here's the main workbench. This still needs to get organized. There's our Miller welder. We also have a plasma cutter. Kind of got creative to do a little bit of just get rid of some, and you can't see them in the sun. Anyway, I'll show you those later, but I figured out a way to get rid of a little some of the old license plates. Got some decent lighting now with see, with some LED lighting hung up there. Right now that's the oven that we use for our powder coating. Just got it at a thrift store. Eventually I want to make a bigger one. Here's our Scat Blast media blasting cabinet. Just a simple cleaner. This here we got to get back to was going to be a hot tank. We put a couple of engine block heaters in it, but they're at the bottom and the gunk fell down and burned up the engine heaters, so we got to re-engineer that. Now this, maybe what I do here is shut these lights off and see if they help any. This right here is our powder coating painting mini booth that we built. Myself and my younger son built out of just scrap 2x4s, and we've used the heck out of that. Over here we have our 2-post lift. I believe that's 10,000 or 12,000 pound lift. Back there, and the sun's a little bright. Now, I've got some shelves up against the wall over there. We've got some more shelving over here that we store stuff on. This line of shelving here has got parts for Brad's 6-speed special. I'm hanging some more pegboard back there to store stuff. I've still got another sheet. I've got up there, I've got some hanging brackets for wood storage. Same way down here. Okay. Now this right here, I'll see if I can get a good picture of it, is a build table that we picked up this summer. Got some parts for the Scout here. Here's the some of the parts for the forklift there. There's the starter out of the forklift that I need to clean up and put back together. And we hung up our ladders up here. We've got ramps and everything hung up there. And then that there is our wood shop. I'm not going to show you the inside of it right now till I get it cleaned up. There's some more pegboard that we use to hang stuff. Our 12-ton press, excuse me. Drill press. Another bench here that I've started to organize stuff. And there you might be able to see how I organized, got rid of some license plates. There you can see the LED lighting's really good. I do have a English wheel that I got to put together yet. There's some more parts of the forklift. This is one of those Eastwood welding tables, and then I've also got the plasma cutter tape part to it there. I've got this bench here that used to have a lathe on it that we're not going to use. I'm going to modify this and put those two on it so I can get my folding stand back. We've got some more storage over there that needs to get organized still. Got the one toolbox there. And we've got another toolbox here that I need to get organized and cleaned up, put back together. Got some bolt storage there. Got our 60 John Deere there and our 630 John Deere over there with the front end loader on it. And there's some various other things. But, oh, here's Brad's 1928 6-speed special waiting to get worked on. So that'll be fun. And that's about all I can show you right now. Maybe I'll show you some more as we go on. I've got a few projects I'm going to build. I'm going to build a sheet metal brake, large sheet metal brake. I'm going to build a pipe vise, or not pipe vise, pipe bender. And I got the parts for that are laying under the build table there, down there. I don't know if you can see them. So I got that. And then I've got some more pegboard to hang up. So nothing fancy, but hopefully we can get some of this fun stuff done. One of the things I wanted to show you on the shop too is if you notice all this stuff on the pegboards, even the handles on the files, I've been 3D printing all that. Saved me a lot of money. There's no way I would have been able to afford to buy all this stuff. I've even printed, I'm going to hang some more stuff up on the wall, decorations so to speak. Let me see if I can find it here. I've even printed brackets that are be able to hang certain things up on the wall. A lot of the stuff here is 3D printed. Hooks, you can see even the hooks on all the vice grips. Even printed some hooks to hang that. My die grinder stuff. I've got a big pile of Allen wrenches that will eventually go in there once I get a chance to sort them. My volt ohm meter, my takt well meter. So all our hooks to hang our air tools. So that's been very helpful. So until next time, this is Alan at Harpum Restorations.